Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Step inside with me as the gates quietly close behind us and the Florida sun reflects off clean architectural lines, warm stone, and walls of glass that immediately set the tone for what is truly one of the finest architectural homes in the state. From the very first moment, this residence feels less like a house and more like a carefully composed work of art, designed to blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living while embracing Florida's light, landscape, and lifestyle at the highest possible level. As you approach the front entrance, the home reveals itself gradually. A long, floating walkway stretches across a shallow, reflecting pool, guiding you toward a dramatic pivot door crafted from rich wood and steel. The sound of water, the subtle movement of palm trees, and the quiet privacy of the setting instantly slow everything down. This is architecture designed not just to impress, but to calm, to ground, and to welcome. The moment the door opens, you're greeted by a breathtaking double-height foyer flooded with natural light. Floor to ceiling glass frames lush greenery outside, creating a living artwork that changes throughout the day. The ceilings soar above you, yet the space feels warm thanks to natural materials like stone, wood, and textured plaster that have been carefully layered to create depth and balance. Every line feels intentional, every angle purposeful. Straight ahead, the home opens into the main living area, where expansive glass walls completely disappear at the touch of a button. Instantly, the interior flows seamlessly into the outdoor terrace, blurring the distinction between inside and out. This is Florida living at its finest, open, airy, and connected to nature. The living room itself is anchored by a sculptural fireplace that doubles as a statement piece, clad in natural stone that rises all the way to the ceiling. The furniture throughout the home feels custom, curated rather than staged. Low-profile sofas, organic shapes, and soft neutral tones allow the architecture to take center stage. Subtle pops of texture, woven fabrics, polished wood, brushed metal add richness without overwhelming the space. It's luxurious but never loud. Moving into the kitchen, the design becomes even more impressive. This is not just a place to cook, but a space designed for gathering, entertaining, and living. A massive waterfall island carved from a single slab of stone commands attention, while integrated appliances disappear behind sleek cabinetry for a clean, uninterrupted look. Pendant lights float above the island like art installations, casting a warm glow in the evening. Behind the scenes, the kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, professional-grade refrigeration, and hidden storage solutions that keep everything effortlessly organized. A secondary prep kitchen sits discreetly behind sliding panels, ensuring the main space always remains pristine when entertaining guests. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area feels both intimate and grand. A custom dining table stretches beneath a dramatic light fixture, perfectly positioned to capture views of the water and sunset beyond. Whether hosting a formal dinner party or a casual family meal, this space adapts effortlessly to the moment. As we move further into the home, a floating staircase becomes a focal point in itself. Crafted from wood and steel, with glass railings that maintain openness, it feels as though it's suspended in midair. Natural light pours down from a skylight above, creating shifting shadows throughout the day that bring the architecture to life. Before heading upstairs, let's explore the primary suite, which is thoughtfully positioned on the main level for privacy and convenience. Entering this space feels like stepping into a private retreat. Floor-to-ceiling glass opens directly to the outdoor terrace, allowing you to wake up to views of palm trees, water, and sky. The bedroom is spacious yet serene, with soft textures and a calming palette designed to promote rest and relaxation. The primary bathroom is nothing short of spa-like. A freestanding soaking tub sits beneath a large window, perfectly framed to capture nature without sacrificing privacy. The The walk-in shower feels more like a luxury spa, with rainfall showerheads, stone walls, and seamless glass. Dual vanities crafted from natural stone and wood provide ample space, while custom lighting enhances the feeling of warmth and calm. Connected to the bathroom, the walk-in closet is designed with the same attention to detail as the rest of the home. Custom shelving, integrated lighting, and glass front cabinetry transform everyday storage into an experience of luxury and organization. Stepping outside from the main living area, the outdoor spaces reveal why this home is so perfectly suited to Florida living. A resort-style pool stretches across the length of the terrace, its edges blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Sun loungers appear to float on shallow ledges, while shaded seating areas invite long afternoons of relaxation. The outdoor kitchen and dining area are fully equipped for entertaining on any scale. From casual weekend barbecues to elegant evening gatherings, this space is designed to host with ease. A built-in grill, refrigeration, and ample counter space ensure everything you need is right at hand, while a fire feature adds warmth and ambience as the sun sets. Beyond the pool, the landscaping has been carefully designed to provide privacy while maintaining a connection to nature. Native plants, mature palms, and subtle lighting create a tranquil environment that feels both lush and low maintenance. Now, heading upstairs, the private living quarters continue the home's architectural excellence. Each guest suite feels like a boutique hotel room, complete with ensuite bathrooms, custom closets, and large windows that frame beautiful views. The materials remain consistent throughout, reinforcing the sense of cohesion and thoughtful design. A secondary living area upstairs offers a more relaxed space for family or guests. Whether used as a media lounge, reading area, or informal gathering space, it provides flexibility while maintaining the home's refined aesthetic. Large sliding doors open to an upper-level terrace, offering elevated views and a quiet place to unwind. One of the most impressive features of this home is how it integrates technology without allowing it to dominate the experience. Smart home systems control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment, all seamlessly integrated to enhance comfort and efficiency. At the same time, the technology remains discreet, allowing the architecture and design to remain front and center. As we explore further, it becomes clear that sustainability was a key consideration in the design. Energy, efficient systems, performance glazing, and thoughtful orientation help reduce energy consumption while maximizing comfort. This is a home that looks forward, balancing luxury with responsibility. Every corridor, every corner of this residence reveals a new perspective. Sight lines have been carefully planned so that you're always connected to light, landscape, or water. Even transitional spaces feel intentional, designed to enhance the overall flow rather than simply connect rooms. As the day transitions into evening, the home transforms once again. Architectural lighting softly highlights textures, planes, and pathways, creating an entirely new atmosphere after sunset. The pool glows, the fire features flicker, and the interior spaces feel warm and inviting, perfectly suited for nighttime entertaining or quiet relaxation. What truly sets this home apart is not just its scale or its finishes, but the way it makes you feel. There is a sense of calm, balance, and clarity that comes from thoughtful architecture. It's a place designed to support everyday life while elevating it, offering moments of beauty at every turn. This is a home where mornings begin with sunlight streaming through glass walls, where afternoons are spent by the pool with a gentle breeze, and where evenings unfold under warm lighting and open skies. It represents the very best of Florida architectural living. Modern yet timeless, luxurious yet livable. As we make our way back toward the entrance, it's impossible not to appreciate the journey this home takes you on. From the dramatic arrival to the intimate private spaces, from expansive entertaining areas to quiet moments of retreat, every element works together in harmony. This is not just one of the best architectural homes in Florida because of how it looks, but because of how intelligently it has been designed to enhance life. It's a residence that celebrates light, space, and connection, offering a lifestyle that feels effortless, refined, and deeply rooted in its environment. And as the door closes behind us once again, leaving the home resting quietly within its landscape, it's clear that this is more than architecture. This is a vision of modern Florida living at its absolute finest.